Today I've come to visit National Theater. It's my first time to be here. It has been under construction for some time. We have been renovating. Some places are very new. Some places we have done before, but they are making it more better. So I would like to ask a few questions from the person who is in charge here, who can tell me more. You know, when you go to visit a place, you need to meet the person who knows the place more than you. So good afternoon, sir. He is right here with me. He's working faster than me. He's taller than me. Good afternoon, sir.
It's the National Theater. It's a very beautiful place to be. It's for culture and tourism.
Okay.
So she's the first time she's coming here. She said she wants to look around. Fortunately, she cannot gain access inside because renovation is ongoing, and they're making the place beautiful for everyone to come in for to performance, to promote culture and tourism in Nigeria. It's a beautiful place. The government of Nigeria has so much done a lot and good in renovating the place. So it's looking lovely and very nice. So she's here. I'm taking her around outside on the road. We're approaching the rail train.
First of all, sir, what is that? That behind
The train is the car park.
That is the car park. That is
still under construction.
The car park is under construction. They are still doing it. And this one, sir?
Here is the train station.
Wow.
It's a train that is a terminal. This is where you join to CMS and to My 2.
Okay.
It's trains come down here, pick passengers from here, train to My 2 or CMS. It's the theater station.
Okay.
It's functional by the Lagos State.
Okay. This is the theater station now. You can come out from here, you enter National Theater direct. So it will be very easy to come and visit the National Theater. When you come here, you see the beauty of this place. You know, sometimes you've never gone to a place like me. This is my first time, and I'm so excited. I didn't know this place is so beautiful, beautiful, big. The place is very calm. You can see it's called National Theater Station. This is a train station where you can come out from here and just join and see the National Theater. On this other side, after a train station, sir, can you kindly show them the view of National Theater? This side. You can see the National Theater this side. You see, everything is matching from train station to the National Theater. This is the side. So it's still under construction and we are still doing it. So I wanted to come here so that at least I can see what is going on. When you go to a place and you see beautiful things that are happening there, that is the reason why at least I need to come and see National Theater. This is Lagos, Nigeria, and this National Theater is beautiful. The place is very calm. And one thing I've noticed about this place is very well kept, very clean. When you see people are still doing more to the place that has been existing, it means they want the place to improve, the place to look better. That when you go to that place, you enjoy the place. The grass is growing very, very well. That's the view of National Theater at the back. We are back at the back side. So that's how a place looks like. Up there, you can see there is rail up there. So it will be very easy for people. If you are coming to National Theater, you just alight. There is a station there. You just come to National Theater. Wow, it's very nice. He's so kind. At least he's taking me around so that I can see the beauty of this place. It's very, very beautiful. The roads are nice, as you can see. Very well done. Very, very well done. There are several exits. Here I can see there's another side. See the beauty of.
This is the main entrance of National Theater.
Okay.
This is the main entrance.
This is the main entrance. Wow. See how beautiful it is from here. This is the main entrance.
Main entrance.
Okay. That's the main entrance. So we are still going round to see this beautiful place. Wow. It's very, very nice. The governor of Lagos is doing very well, and I always say that when someone is doing something good, it's good to talk about it, because when you talk about bad thing of a person, make sure you talk the good things. So the governor is doing an amazing job to make Lagos a beautiful state. It's a very beautiful state. We have the mainland, we have the island. Lagos is a beautiful state. So it's a beautiful walk around this place. The area is very big. You walk around, see the beauty of National Theater. Yeah. So this is where beautiful things happen. The area is big. The roads are nice, as you can see from here. Very well thought of. See, beautiful. Up there is the train, where the train passes. So that is for Marina. There is a train there. In fact, it's a beautiful thing. I'm so happy at least. This is the blue line.
Yes.
Blue line. This one is coming from Marina. Marina to mile 2. That's the train. Wow. What of you? Can you see what I'm talking about? Yeah. When you are inside there, you can see a beautiful view of National Theater. So in this station now, if you are light, you just come to National Theater. Wow. Things are happening in Lagos. So when you are from far or you are from here, you should know that things are happening back at home. And that's what I love when I show people that if when you left the country, maybe this kind of things were not there. Or if you are there, you didn't notice them. But being here now, I'm showing you the beauty of these places. The roads, everything is going on very well. Is under construction. So many things are happening. By the time everything is complete, as they say here in Nigeria, you go love it. You go enjoy it. It's very, very nice. It's very nice. There is also another side, apart from the train station. There is also another side if you are coming by public means. You can use buses on the other side. So I think that's another entrance. So that other entrance is entrance B. Entrance C. There is another entrance, entrance C. Entrance C. So you can pass through that place, and there's waters here. Wow. It's will be blessed in everything. In Lagos, you can use that is blue line. Real unit transport that is going there. There are so many ways to move around in Lagos, and that is the beautiful thing I love about Lagos. It's a beautiful big city. Hi there. You are trying. You are really working hard. Thank you. Thank you for making it possible for people to see the beautiful National Theater. It's still under construction. There are so many things that they are doing. The inside, a lot is going on. So to the public eye, there are so many things that are remaining to be finished inside. That's why the main gate, the other side gate, is closed. But when it's open to public, when everybody is told, oh yeah, now you can get in and enjoy it, you go love it. It will be very beautiful. So all this area we have been walking, and you can see today I'm doing a lot of exercise. It's around National Theater. This is National Theater. This is Lagos. What's the name of this place, sir? National Theater is this area.
National Theater.
So we just say National Theater, you come in. Okay.
National Theater Igomu.
Igomu. That's the word I was looking for. National Theater Igomu. See the water. Lagos has a lot of water. A lot of water. It's in a very nice spot. The view is beautiful. This is another gate. You can pass through here. That's another gate. When you see things are going on and they are under construction, things are being constructed in a certain area, just know the place is growing. Good things and beautiful things are coming up. And that is what is happening here in National Theater. As you can see, so many things are happening. People are still constructing other beautiful things to make it better. So that is what is happening in National Theater. So there are so many entrances to this place. It's not only one side. You have been seeing different gates as they're making sure it's not, people are not squeezed into one place. As you can see, this is another entrance. See the view from this entrance to now. Entrance. The view is beautiful. Beautiful artwork. Very, very nice. As you see, National Theater. Beautiful things, beautiful flowers they are planting. That's what I'm saying. It's still under construction. There are so many things that they are doing. So the final result will be more than beautiful. I love it. It's very, very calm, chilled. There's a lot of work here. This thing, this theater is mighty. It's very, very big. So it's a lot of work that is going on here. And I want to say thank you so much to my brother in front here. It's not easy to frontier yourself and show another person way around the place. Yeah, thank you. He has done well. He has done well. He has worked with us. This is another gate here. See, when I tell you the beauty of National Theater, you can come here and relax. And just sit down, relax. You enjoy it. This is another gate. Yeah. So we have gone round the theater. We are going to the final entrance now, so that you can see the beautiful place. As you have seen the way we have gone round, you have noticed it's a very big area. And even from here to the other gate is a far distance. So there's a big compound, and a lot can still be done here. That is a space where people can sit like and enjoy themselves here. You sit and do exercise. There is an exercise area here. And that's doubtful, by the way. And then there are chairs, but no, show them these are places you can okay. So this is a place you can come and do exercise. Show them the exercise place. They are still doing the gardens. Wow, very, very nice. Have you ever gone for a walk and you say that walk was worth? This is a worthy walk. I've seen the beauty of National Theater. Lagos is going places. Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, very, very nice. This is another view of National Theater. This gate, see now. Fine, 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 fine. You take a photo of that place. Forever you'll be grateful for the photo. It's very nice. This is a place you can come. We are constructing here. This is another space, another garden they are doing. So you can see. So they want to put chairs in case you come here, you can relax. The security here is very okay. You can see there is Nigeria Police Force, National Theater station. There is a station there. There is a police force there. So in case there is something, there is also an entertainment place there that you can go and relax and enjoy. I want to see this a new Queen Amina statue. It's called Queen Amina statue garden. Reconstructed with the support of Nigeria Breweries commissioned by High Chief Eden Duke. Okay, 2014. This one was done 2014. So this is how this garden looks like. Very, very nice. And I can relax here. You can see It's very beautiful. It's very, very nice. Very beautiful. And from here, you can also see the view of National Theatre. Take, take me photo for National Theatre is a way. I think I love photos too. Right? It's very, very beautiful. Me, I love beautiful things. And when I see beautiful things, yeah, I always want to show you what is happening. The beautiful place, a beautiful place, a beautiful thing, beautiful things that are coming up. And this is another thing that is happening here in Nigeria. This is National Theatre. Yes, it has been here for a long time, but now being under construction, it means that the governor of Lagos State, it is kept in a very good condition that is renewed to become a beautiful, more beautiful place than it was before. So this is a cool place. You can come and check this place out. But they have made this side, they have closed the gate so people are not allowed to go in. That's the reason why I cannot show you the inside. But once it is done, at least you have had a beautiful view of the outside. We go enter and we see how beautiful it is inside, because it is beautiful. I hope you have enjoyed this video as I have, because I really enjoyed taking a beautiful afternoon walk. You've taken it with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe, like the video, comment on what you have seen about the new National Theatre, which is still under construction. Bye, and see you on the next amazing video.